Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix your corrupted files on Windows 11. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix your corrupted file issue on your device. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So the first thing, in order to fix it, what you can do is you can open your Windows tab and then on the search box type in command prompt and then open it. So you need to change the system. So for that, what you can do is first thing you can type in sfc/scan now and then hit enter. Once you do this, it might take some time, so you'll need to wait patiently, and after that you also need to restart your computer and then you might be able to fix it. If you're still unable to fix it after doing this method as well, and the other step, what you can do is do the same procedure, that is open up your command prompt, and after that you'll need to type in Windows/system, and after that you'll need to type in Windows/system 32 arrow and then dism/online/cleanup-image/restore help. Once you type in this, you need to hit enter, and this will also take some time, so you have to wait patiently, and after that you might be able to fix it, and then you might be able to fix it. After doing all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can restart your device in a safe mode. To do so, what you need to do is click on Windows key plus R. Once you do this, the Run Administrator will open up, and on the search box type in, in the search bar type in msconfig and click on OK. Some configuration will load and right in front, so click on Boots, and once you do this, you need to click on Safe Mode and then apply it, and once you apply it, click on OK. After that, you've restarted your PC into a safe mode. After restarting your PC, once again tap on the Windows key and then type in command prompt. So type in the command that will be sfc/scan now and then hit enter. Once you've done this, you'll need to wait for some time, at least 3 to 5 minutes. Once the process is completed, you'll need to restart your PC in a safe mode. So to do so, you'll need to click on the Windows key plus R, type in msconfig once again. Now click on normal setup, and after that click on normal setup, and after that you need to make changes, so click on normal startup and then click on OK. Once you've done this, you need to restart your PC, and after that you might be able to fix the issue. So that was a method on how you can fix or repair your corrupted files on your Windows 11. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, make sure to comment down below stating that which method helps you to fix the issue. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.